What's up, Cross Electric City? We're going to be talking about the handstand push-up and how to perform it at home. If you got a wall, please be careful. Don't put holes in the wall. Don't scuff your walls up unless you're just absolutely gung-ho and want to go after it. What we're saying is if you got a box or if you have something platform-wise that you've been doing box jumps to, you can use that same object and turn it upside down and start working on handstand push-ups. So the scale variations that we're going to be working on, especially for the workout, are going to be the box variation handstand push-ups. Now within that, we're going to show you 2 to 3 different variations to be able to work on. The first one is going to be the pike position. It's going to be the hardest one. What we're looking at is toes on the box, hands on the ground, and you're going to be in an upside down L shape moving through the handstand push-up itself. That is going to be the hardest version on the box. The next one we move into is going to be the knee variation, where we drop the knees down, we move your knees as close to the front of the box as we can, we still keep your hands as close to the box, and we keep you vertical. It just takes body weight off, which means it's lighter to press up and through, so it's a more scaled version of a handstand push-up. The last variation is going to be moving your knees back a little bit so you can toe hook the back of the box. Once you toe hook the back of the box, that allows your legs to help you pull on the way up as you finish trying to press into that handstand push-up. So there's 3 different variations we can do on the box. Hardest to easiest, we're going to show you demos on all of them. Now, what we're really looking for is going to be the hand positioning and where our head is traveling within our arms. So we do not want to turn this into a push-up. We're not trying to get the chest involved. We're trying to make sure that we are getting into a press where it is a vertical motion where we're taking our hand from our shoulder and we're finishing with our bicep right beside our head. Okay, so biceps and ears are close on the lockout. When we return, we touch your top of your head to the ground, then you press back out. The next thing, we want to be able to create a tripod on the mat. So when we get down to the bottom mat, your hands are the base of the triangle. Your head is the top of the triangle. We're trying to create a triangle, hands on the bottom, head on the top, to be able to create that platform and proper elbow position as we actually go into the handstand push-up. So, few things. You're going to be reaching your head what feels forward as you go down to the ground. When you press, you're pressing your head back up and through the arms to try and take your nose back to the box when we actually go into that press and that push through. So, demo-wise, I'm going to show you a few reps of each. First one's going to be piked. The next one's going to be the knees variation. The last one's going to be the toe hook variation. Okay? So go ahead, follow along. Watch as you want. So again, as far as difficulty goes, that pike variation is going to be the most difficult variation you do. Drop the knees down, keep the same performance where the head travels forward as you touch in front of your hands so you can see them. And then when you press back up and through the box to be able to complete that rep. Good luck, get after it. If you have questions, please reach out to a coach.